Hi everyone, it's Beth from the West Allis Public Library, and this is our first science experiment that you can do at home. Now, all the dry supplies are available for pickup at the West Allis Public Library, but you might have a lot of the supplies already at home. So far, as you can see, I have made my volcano out of Play-Doh, and there is a heaping spoonful of baking soda in there. So next, I am going to do just a squirt of dish soap just to give it a little extra bubble. And you might notice I have my volcano in a bin. That is for mess because this should bubble up and erupt similarly to a real volcano. So now I have, this is vinegar. So you just need a little bit, and I put it in a measuring cup just so it's a little easier to pour, but we're gonna give it a pour and see what happens to our volcano. There it goes. And if you want to add a little extra fun to it, if you have Monopoly houses at your house, that is a way to see if your town can survive. And if you have extra Play-Doh, you can always make your volcano bigger and change the shape to see how the lava flows. I'm going to pour a little more. It doesn't take very much vinegar, very little. See if we can get a little more eruption. It's very slow moving, just like a real volcano. All right, I hope you had fun. See you in 2 weeks for another science experiment. Bye.